Here are some interesting facts about the iconic Salem painting. This second version was painted by Sidney Curnow Vosper in 1909, a year after the first. The watercolor painting depicts a service at Capel Salem, Cefn Cymerau. The sitters are local characters, with Sian Owen central to the scene. Her decadent shawl was lent to her by the wife of the Vicar of Harlech. Many can see an image of the devil in its fold, which has created quite a stir about the painting's true meaning. Many a hymn book can be seen here and there, but believe it or not, Evan Lloyd, the 6-year-old, was given a box of Quaker oats to hold whilst sitting for the painting. Salem has become an iconic symbol of Welsh identity and the nonconformist tradition, and you can learn more about the history of the work on our blog.